tutorial is going to show you how to add shapes and arrows to your PowerPoint. First, go up to the top of your screen and make sure the Home tab is selected. From the Home ribbon, I want to click on the Shapes button. I want to add an arrow to my PowerPoint, so I'm going to click on the arrow that I want. Then I position my cursor where I want the arrow to be, and I left click and drag. I don't like how this arrow looks, so I'm going to change it. First, it's upside down. So I want to go up to this green button here, and you can see that my cursor changes to a curved arrow. And when it does that, I can click and drag and turn the arrow the other direction. I also think that this arrow is too wide, so I'm going to use these corner circles and place my mouse on the corner circle and click and drag until I get the arrow the size I want it. I can use these center squares to also change the size of the arrow. And then to move it, I just click and drag with my mouse to where I want it. So when I adjusted it to get the size I want and moved it to where I want it, there's my arrow. Now if I want to change the color, I need to right click on the arrow. And from here I can go up to the same box where I changed the font, and I can fill the arrow with the color. I think I'll fill it to match my text boxes. And I can also change the outline to match my text box. And when I like what I see, I just click off on my slide somewhere, and there is my arrow. So now it's your turn. You add some shapes and arrows to your PowerPoint.